Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this cool prop rod, and it's for your hood. So let's say that this Ford Escape does not have a hood prop, and there's no way to actually keep the hood open. You would get a tool like this. So let's open this up, and I'll show you exactly how this works. So it's extendable, and then basically to kind of lock it in place, you're just turning it to your right. So depending on your hood opening, you can open it like that, and you can put this into a variety of different spots and make sure that it is always safe. But like right there, you have a really good, prop to use. Or if you wanted it a little bit closer up on a vehicle, you twist it to your right, and then open it up again, and then you can put it onto here. So you have a much safer area to put your hood prop out of the way so you can work on your vehicle. So if you're missing the vehicle's hood prop, this is a really cool tool to have to make sure that it is going to hold your hood open and you can operate safely. And hey, it's always a good idea, if you get one, you may as well get two and put it on the other side. That way you got a backup. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall with your performance tool hood prop. Be safe out there.